come along. Come on and help me now, help me sing my song. I know we've got a long, long way to go. We'll end up healthy, and that's for sure. Don't you let nothing stand in your way. Want y'all to listen to every word I say, yeah. There ain't no stopping us now, we're on the move. There ain't no stopping us now, we're in the groove. I don't need animals to get my protein. I'll eat my spinach and all my leafy greens. No more meat, fish, chicken or pork. I'm much wiser now when I pick up my fork. Don't you let nothing stand in your way. Want y'all to listen, yeah, to every word I say. There ain't no stopping us now, we're on the move. There ain't no stopping us now, we're in the groove. I know you know someone that thinks that you're a fool. Just relax, eat your plants, play it cool. Let the animals live, let them be free. And as for the anti-vegans, just let them be. Don't you let nothing stand in your way. Want y'all to listen, yeah, listen, come on, to every word I say. There ain't no stopping us now, we're on the move. There ain't no stopping us now, we're in the groove. Get in the vegan groove. Your body is going to be very, very happy that you did. All the best. Hi, Tom Avery here. I'm a health coach, sports nutritionist, and I've been vegan for 13 years. How would you like to take your health up to levels you never dreamed possible? How would you like to have energy off the charts, recovery so well that the next day you're ready to go? Well, I can help you. And I'm willing to send you 3 absolutely free, my best digital products. The first one is my top 10 smoothies for energy and recovery. The next one, a free report, it's called Sad to Glad, about changing from the standard American diet to a whole foods, plant-based vegan diet. And last but not least, the 30 Love Diet. It's a 96-page ebook that I put together that has recipes for breakfast, lunch, dinner, salad dressings, desserts, and it has the mindset that you want for breakfast, for lunch, and for dinner. I guarantee that these products will take your health up a notch. What do I want from you? I'd just like you to give me a like on my Facebook page. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And then send me a message through Facebook so I can get your email. And just say in the email, I'm ready. Then I know you're committed, and I'll forward you the 3 digital programs. Now, 2 of them are in full color, and I'm telling you, if these programs do not help you bring up your energy and your performance levels, please just unlike or unsubscribe, whatever, but I guarantee they will help you. So I look forward to working with you, and all the best to your health. Take care.